Most cyclists pack for their fears, loading 10 kg of bulk when a 3 kg system fits entirely between your handlebars without affecting aerodynamics. The primary error in bike camping is selecting shelter based on hiking standards. Hikers carry gear on their back. Cyclists fight aerodynamic drag. Standard tent poles are 50 cm long, too wide for drop bars. You specifically need bikepack models with 30 cm pole segments. For the best balance of comfort and weight, the Big Agnes Tiger Wall bikepack solution die remains the 2026 gold standard. At 1.3 kg, it offers freestanding structure without the claustrophobia of a bivy sack, fitting perfectly between 40 cm handlebars. Your sleeping bag is the biggest volume offender. Synthetic insulation is too bulky for bike bags. You need high loft down, like the Sea to Summit Spark SB3. It compresses to the size of a grapefruit, freeing up critical space for food or electronics. Never use foam pads. Strapping them to the outside of your bags acts as an aerodynamic parachute. The 2025 Thermarest Neo Air NXT eliminated the crinkle noise issue, while maintaining a 4.5 R value at just 370 grams. It packs smaller than a 500 ml bidon. For cooking, the most efficient system is actually cold soaking, rehydrating food in a jar while you ride. However, if you demand hot coffee, the BRS 3000T titanium stove weighs 25 g. Paired with a 550 ml Tokes pot, your entire kitchen weighs less than 2 energy bars. With a Sawyer squeeze filter, this complete setup hits 2.8 kg. Recommendation: if you are racing, use a bivy and cold soak. If you are touring, buy the Tiger Wall and the stove. The 600 g weight penalty is worth the recovery sleep. Prioritize packed volume over weight. Aerodynamics determines your daily range.